Hey there! In this video, I'll be showing you how to sign up on Plaqad.com. The first step to signing up on Plaqad.com is opening your browser and type in www.plaqad.com. This leads you to the Plaqad.com homepage. Looks good, right? Next is to go to the top right corner of your screen. Click on the Create Account button. Since you're an influencer, you'll be clicking on Creator. Excellent! Now, depending on the type of service you provide, click on any of the following: influencer, publisher, or content creator. For the purpose of this video, we'll sign up as an influencer, so we click on influencer. You can either use your Twitter, Facebook, or Gmail to sign up, so click on your preferred option to sign up automatically. That's great! Now that you're signed up, you'll be led to your Plaqad profile, where you can fill in your personal information, including your full name, your niche, your bio, your rates, and save. Awesome! And that's it! You're signed up on Plaqad.com. Start collaborating with brands and individuals on campaigns on the go.